I'm going to explain the flow of oxygen and anesthetic gas through the system on Hawkeye here. You're going to start out at the oxygen tanks, which we know are oxygen because the top is green. It goes up through the yoke and into the pressure reducing valve that takes the pressure down from the 2200 psi that's in the tank down to about 50. It's going to come up through the green oxygen tube up to the flow meter. Flow meter tells you the flow rate of oxygen going into your patient, red at the center of the ball that is on the markers. This also drops the pressure down to about 15, 20, making it suitable for the patient. Also over here is the quick flush or oxygen flush that allows fresh oxygen into the system. From the flow meter, it goes into the vaporizer, which the vaporizer is a precision vaporizer back here on the back that is suited to whatever gas anesthetic you're using, and will put the right amount of anesthetic into the system. It goes from there then back up. Hold it for a second, please.
Yes.
Thank you. It comes out through this tube, back up into the system, where if the O2 flush valve was being used to put oxygen in the system, it would come in here, and it disappears inside, and our gas is ready to go to our patient. It goes out through the inhalation valve, which is a flutter valve and unidirectional, through the inhalation tube to the endotracheal tube, into and out of the patient. Comes back through the exhalation tube, back to the exhalation valve, also unidirectional and a flutter valve. And from there, it will go to either the soda lime, which will absorb the carbon dioxide and send it back to the system, or else it will go through the scavenging system, and then any waste anesthetic gas will be collected. There's also the reservoir bag that holds excess pressure in the system that allows the animal to breathe. This will inflate when the machine is running and will get bigger and smaller with the patient's breaths. And the pop-off valve is also over here right before the waste system, and it allows any excess pressure to be released. And I believe that's everything. I'm going to demonstrate pressure checking the anesthesia machine. First you have to turn on the oxygen tank.
Because I need something to hit.
You will plug the end of your whichever rebreathing system you have, making as tight a seal as you can. You push down on the pop-off valve and let oxygen flow in until it's about 20, and then you wait 10 seconds, and you want the pressure in the system to remain the same if you hopefully have a good seal. And once that's done, you can let the pressure out of the system.
Okay.